This is a boat that came in that'd been at another shop, and it's supposedly missing, and so we were going to turn it over to start it. Go ahead and try to turn it over. And it's a brand new battery, 6 of 22, and the battery voltage is charged. We've got the voltmeter on it. So it's 12.6, so the battery's charged. Go ahead and try to turn it over. And we don't have any major voltage drop. We've gone ahead and jumped straight to the starter, and it still does not turn over. But one of the things we do when we check it, pull his dipstick. I don't know if you can see. Let me get it out in the light where we can see that. But his oil level is right there, and that's milky oil. Let's see if I could do this with one hand. There's the water, but there should be the level right there, and it was way up here, so it's got a lot of extra fluid in the engine that shows us that it's getting water inside the engine, and that's probably why it's not really happy about running, is because it's got many quarts of oil or fluid inside the engine, and that's just. But here we are. The starter doesn't work. We're going to try to get it to turn over at least, and then so we can figure out why it's missing. But where we're going with this is water in the oil for the most part.